What is the best fixed annuity rate? Well, the question is really, when are you watching this video? Because that's going to be dependent on the answer. So let's get into it now. This is Eddie with Epic here in Red Bank, and we're talking about fixed annuity rates, right? What is the best fixed annuity rate? And the problem with that question is it really depends on when you're watching this video. If you think about mortgage rates are usually always changing, right? They're up, they're down. You think about the CD rates that banks pay or the interest rates that banks pay, they're always fluctuating with market conditions. The same is true with a fixed annuity. When I think about fixed annuities, I'm thinking about CDs, right? A bank CD, you buy a 1-year bank CD, they're gonna pay you X amount of dollars. If you bought one for 5 years and you held it there 5 years, they're gonna pay you a different interest rate. Fixed annuities function exactly the same way. I mean, not really exciting content here, but this is what you're asking about. And so I wanna make this pretty clear to you. When we think about a fixed annuity, there's a couple things that we want to keep in mind. How soon am I going to need that money, right? Because once we put it with that annuity company, it's pretty much locked there for that period of time. There might be some ways to get some of the money out of it depending on the company you're using. But the idea is if I get a 3-year annuity, I'm going to not access or touch that money for the next 3 years. The other thing you want to think about is what is the company you're working with, right? And who are the people that you're actually getting these quotes from? Is the planner you're working with only giving you one company, or are they quoting you multiple companies and then helping you make that decision based on the credit rating of the company that's issuing the annuity? So just like banks pay different rates, right? They want to have you set your money with them. Just like banks pay different rates, different annuity companies, different insurance companies pay you different rates. But that rate sometimes for a lesser quality company may be a nice, attractive, high rate, but do you really want to put your money with a lesser quality company? And those are questions that when you're working with the proper planners, they can help answer those for you. The question is, or you might be thinking right now is, well, if a bank CD pays a certain rate and an annuity pays a certain rate, and they're very similar, why would I want an annuity over a CD? And that's a good question. What you want to think about is if you're a person that is looking for tax diversification, right? If you're looking for somebody that wants to not get a 1099 every year from an interest that they earned, an annuity might be the right play for you. An other option for people is, for a portion of their dollars that they want to make sure are either left behind to an heir or are free from market fluctuation, an annuity might be a great play as well. So we want to be that resource for you. If you have other questions related to annuities or more on this type of annuity, put it in the comment section below. And what we'll be able to do is we can create a video based on whatever your questions are out there.